Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, and welcome to another episode of the Watch Face of the Week. Stay tuned, you're gonna love this one. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out by DW. Now this one here is called DW17. This one is a beauty. Now even in the always on mode, it looks great. I like the design. It looks just as good for the Gear 3 as it does for the Gears 2. And when the watch face is on, I gotta turn my attention to the seconds that's going around the top of the watch. I thought that was definitely a nice added touch. Kind of brings out the watch face a lot. I like the design change of this watch face as well. You got your information on your heart rate dead center with the heart right there. Very good look. And I like the way the information kind of crisscross a little bit. So you get your date, your day and your year. You also get on the other side information on floors climbed, your calories burned, get info on your steps. Now when you come down, you do get your digital time. I like the way it slants, very clear, very legible. And you also get the day of the week right up under that. That's not a bad look at all. And right here, I like the battery meter as well as the battery percent in digital numbers. Also, you get info on your goal completed on that side with the moon phase. This is definitely a very nice looking watch face. I like the layout of this one. And if I tap right here, I can go in and get information on my apps, things of that nature. I thought that was a good touch. And if I tap right here, I can get my calendar. And if I tap right here, I can go in and get my step info. So the design overall is truly a great look, not just a good look, but a great look. But at the end of the day, you be the judge of it. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the watch face of the week. Was it worthy of? In my opinion, I'm going to say definitely yes. I'm giving them 2 thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.